Hello all Python learner. In this video I will teach you how to use variable. All programming language, variable is also very important in using. So in this Python, you need to know how to use variable properly. If you want to use variable, you need to assign its name and its value. And its value can be float, string, integer, boolean. Okay, so if you want to assign variable, it must be its name fit to what you want. Okay, do not use just A for something, B for something. This is not logical. That you need to use it properly. It's easy to understand. You write this code, not only you that you understand, let other understand also. Don't use that idea that today, the reason day, you yourself and God can understand only this code. But in the next teacher, you will say, or other will say, only God understands this code. Okay, so you use it properly. For example, if you use a related to the age of the human, of the people, or of something, you need to use age. Assign age, its name age, and its value 23, maybe that. Okay, this is also its name, the variable name age, and its value of integer. Okay, you can assign like name and its name Genton. Okay, this is in this time variable name and its name and its value string. Okay, and if you use a variable in this, if you assign the variable name again and you give the value for 32, so in computer, in this Python, if you give the value of variable 2 times like this, it means the last time it's override the value of the previous. Okay, so if you print, you have learned print function already. If you print age, what happened? What is the value of age in this time? It must be 32, right? Because it's override the previous value. So if I run like this, it must be 32. Okay, it's override because in the memory of computer can it isn't in this sense it is cannot store 2 times the same name like this. Okay, and you should not use the variable name like x. Okay, x like this and x a b c is not properly, because you need to run that code, and that code must be run out the result, and the result should be explain what you write. Okay, and you can use variable two names, but it must be capital letter or incasive, like you can use this my function, my function, like this. Okay. uh, Game, like for example, it's my function. You can assign the value, its value, it's the float number, for example. If you have another name, you should write one. You should write with capital letter or underscore. Okay, don't write with like this, because we make it easy to understand. Okay, like this is one more important things is that you should not use a variable name the same of the keyword of the Python, like this. For example, you want to assign, you give the name of the variable print. Print like this is it's not, it's not good. It is it's wrong because it is keyword of Python. Even though you give any values of uh, of this variable like string, float, integer, or boolean, should not use in this. Okay. So it is easy. It's just basics. And then for the next video, I will teach you more about variable. Thank you for watching.